Electric motor.
Synthetic rigging.
Classic sailboat.
No electronics.
Crossing the Atlantic Ocean.
Going where the fair winds blow, our home is where the waters flow. We'll show you what we've come to know on board while sailing wisdom.
I'm now finishing my watch because Maddie's awake. I did watch from 1 a.m. to 10 a.m. So I'm sleepy now.
I don't know how you did that or why, but thank you.
Well, why was because you were tired, so I let you get sleep. And how was I got tired right as the sun came up. And then the sun was up. So I just stayed up.
Wow.
I cleaned up some puke that someone put on the deck. Not naming names, but it wasn't me. I tried to catch fish. I've changed 3 lures and still no fish. And I rigged the preventer because I got tired of hearing the boom slam around.
A bit of a lazy day. We're moving along slowly but surely, kind of between 3 and 3.5 knots. Herby was basically sleeping all day, so it's just been me out here reading and napping and reading and napping. Look who's awake! We've been trying to fish this whole time, but to no avail.
I think I got seasick for my first time. It was not pleasant.
Our roles reversed a little bit.
Yeah, I was so queasy and my head hurt. It was horrible.
Just a day in the life for little old me. But actually this patch is working. It did not work last night, I'll tell you that, but it's working now. I think it takes about a day to kick in. Oh, my eyes. Whew. I made some chickpea salad for dinner. It's all of the healthy things. Well, for our little nightly check-in here, the sun just set, and it's just incredible how much more enjoyable sailing can be when you're not feeling queasy all the time. It's really amazing. I had forgotten, to be honest, how enjoyable sailing could be. Because our last 2 times at sea, I was just so sick the whole time. I just hated it. But this is great. We're back in that kind of freeing environment. There's no land at any point around us. We're coming up on the Canaries, but we're not stopping there. and we've made good time too. There's been steady wind. So all of these things are working together to make this a very enjoyable passage so far. It's only been a little more than 24 hours, but I think that it's going to be good.
So in sharp contrast, I've been seasick, and it's not nice. It's really awful. So all I've done today was I rigged the preventer to make the boom stop banging, and then I fixed the hatch to the head because I don't know why, but the pin slipped out of the hinge. So then I put that in because I had to. And then I've just been laying down all day.
Alright, it's 9 p.m. on the second night out at sea here, and I'm gonna do the first watch because unfortunately Herby's still not feeling very well. So, on to my podcasts. Time to switch.
I feel so much better. I just need to like lay down, I guess, or something. I feel so much better right now.
Good.
Yeah. I felt like crap when I went to bed. That's bad. So I'm just gonna loosen this, kind of scoot the knot or the chafed area further back, and then put a knot in this to like take up some slack. That way it's not so bad.
And I am coming off my second watch, so I'm gonna go back to bed for an hour or so until hunger wakes me up. Tonight we are having pasta with meat sauce. Nice hot meal. Thank goodness for this gimbaled stove. Today was a really good day, and it reminded me why I love this lifestyle so much, because I was definitely questioning before, but things are good now.
And we didn't realize how close the Canaries were actually to Madeira. Like, it's only a 2-day sail, so that's pretty cool. But we have about 8-ish days left ahead of us, so it's a little early to be all excited about seeing land. But yeah, it was just really smooth sailing. It's just nice. Like, both of us felt really good today. Neither of us were seasick. We cooked, we just relaxed. A little tiny bit of rain came, but it was kind of refreshing. And it's been a great day. And now I'm just going to be starting night watch. I'm going on first watch, and then Maddie will come out much later in the night.
Being in the trades is awesome. We've had a really good day today. We've just been flying. Our top speed was 9 knots, riding down a wave, granted, but our average speed is all the way up to 5.1 knots, which is crazy for us because the first time across the Atlantic, we averaged 3 knots, even less. So this has been really, really great for us, and it just makes sailing so much more fun when you're getting somewhere.
Clocking along here pretty quickly. We're doing about 6.4 knots average. So we just turned on the regen to start making some more power because why not? So what regen does is as the prop spins, it actually spins the motor and then generates power kind of in reverse. So it's a hydro generator. So this actually gives us a whole lot of amps. And it's pretty free because we already have the electric motor. So that's one huge advantage of an electric. Get an automatic hydro generator.
It's time for me to take over, and we're moving along in a really quick pace, but the great thing is we don't feel it because it's a following sea, so we're just surfing down all the waves and it's easy peasy.
Well, that surfing was pretty intense because on my watch at one point we were doing 10 knots. The plan is when we go from Cape Verde to Suriname, I'm going to do it only using a sextant.
Whew, it's cold.
It's alive!
Yeah, it is. All right, I'm getting the alcohol. Thanks for watching this episode of Sailing Wisdom. Don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and hit subscribe so you don't miss the next Rigging Doctor episode. And if you're interested in even more Rigging Doctor awesomeness, consider becoming a patron to see all of our extras. Can't wait to see you next time as you join us out here on the high seas.